Hello guys, we are back, and yeah, Xavier got hair in his fidget spinner, so I'm cleaning it. I'm cleaning out the hair in his fidget spinner.
And as we told you last time, we finally made our video.
Yeah,
and it finally worked with my hypothesis.
Yes, with Xavier's hypothesis. Yes, with Alex's hypothesis. Yes. It finally
now we know not to touch the cord, and we should put everything away from the cord.
Yep, that's why we're back here. We're actually, like, pretty far back.
Yeah, he zoomed in.
Yeah, we're scooching back. Oh my god, Xavier. I need, like, a screwdriver. Wait, hold on. There's this one tool that I know I have, but I don't know where it is. It's just in here. Where is it?
Wait, dude, am I pulling on the wrong side?
Wait. There's a really good tool that I have. Actually, no, probably.
I already got it out.
Good. Finally. Now we can get the hair out of it. Yeah, literally there was hair stuck in it.
Fell out.
Okay, I'm going to change settings so you guys can see this better. Oh, it's maxed on how far down it is. Please don't mess up. Please don't mess up. Oh, yes. Oh, good. Okay, so the reason why you're aimed at this box, is because...
Which was from his BB-8.
Yeah, Sphero BB-8.
Which I have also.
If Sphero people are watching this, thank you for making this. I love it. Same thing for the fourth band, wherever that is.
I love mine too.
Yeah, he has a BB-8, I have a fourth band. All you can see is
the box.
I feel like Tom and Jerry, because whenever there's humans, you can never see their face. You just see their torso, their legs, and their feet. Sometimes just their legs and their feet. You can't see our heads. Our gorgeous heads. You can just see our torsos to our feet. You can't even see our necks. Okay, so we're doing speed things. You guys are going to be the people who are going to be...
You forgot to say again, Julian by Xavier.
Yeah, no, but this is the second
video,
so yeah.
This is part 2 from the last video.
Yeah.
You should name it part 2, and the other one part 1.
No, this will be like... No, this is not part 2.
Oh.
I have tons of fidget spinner videos, like, I think 5 or maybe
5 parts.
Yeah. Okay, we're doing a speed test, and we're going to start at... I'm going to start mine at 3:30. Okay. This is going to be quite a long video.
Because...
Let's only do one of ours, our best one, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna do this one.
15 minutes. 15 minutes. No, 15 seconds so far. 20 seconds so far.
Dude, how about you do 2 and I'll do 2, okay?
Yeah.
You do both of yours and I'll do 2 of mine.
Okay. Why did the Superman one?
Why?
Dude, that went for like 4 minutes.
Okay, I'll do Superman and...
Yeah, his Superman went for like 4 minutes.
3 minutes.
We literally...
No, 4.
Yeah,
we went for 4.
We literally timed his, and it went for like 4 minutes. Okay, mine's gone for 1 minute right now.
So, yeah. What should we talk about while we're waiting for the fidget spinner to finish?
I don't know. Just try to do more hops. More hops. Green one. 1. Hop.
Okay.
1. Dude, wait! Dude! While it was spinning, it literally just went like this. Then it fell off. But that looked so cool. Oh! It's been
2 minutes.
No, it hasn't.
Almost.
Because I started it at 3:30. So it's been... Please get to 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh, I might not get to 2 minutes. To the last second. $5:30. 2 minutes exact.
My turn.
I've almost gotten it to 3 minutes before. I don't
Blue
know
and
why
white.
it's going.
Let's see how fast it'll go. Or how long it'll go.
Wait, hold on. We need to start it at a specific time. So start at 6. Start at 6. Okay. Do you want background music?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get the background music.
Now, actually.
No? Okay. Dude, it's done. Now. Okay, we started at 6:10. Was that a good spin?
No.
Neither was mine. I've gotten way better spins on mine, but 6:25.
I started. Let's just say 6:25.
Yeah, let's just say 6:25. 6:25. 6:25.
You've obviously already seen his bedroom.
Yeah.
But I'm from Arizona.
Yeah.
And I barely come here.
Yeah, he's from Arizona.
This is my second video with fidget spinners and my second time being on YouTube.
Now we're making the screen all dark, so we need to move our heads. Yeah, but you guys don't really need to see our gorgeous faces. You just need to see the box, the fidget spinner, and our hands and hand expressions and stuff.
Okay, so it's been about
I just had an amazing YouTube idea.
1 minute.
Tom and Jerry, though none of us talk, we just do like hand movements, and we just do like a little story sort of thing.
Mm-hmm.
So
that might be our next video.
So then I would be like, Xavier, what the heck? Why didn't you take out the trash like I asked you? You're being beat.
Let's make that our next video.
We could.
Mm-hmm.
Though actually no one would understand it, so I don't know. No one would understand it.
It's been almost 2 minutes.
Let's actually talk while we do it.
Yeah.
But nobody can see our faces. So like that. Xavier, why have you been a bad boy?
Tom, why have you been a bad boy?
Except they can see my face now. You will never know what this looks like.
Oh, it's been 2 minutes.
It's been 2 minutes.
Dude, it looks like it's slow-mo on the computer.
It's not slow-mo.
But it looks like it's slow-mo.
It's not slow-mo.
I know.
Oh!
8 minutes and 50 seconds.
8 minutes, 50 seconds.
What? No, it didn't spin that long.
Wait, no. It was 8:54. 8:54.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Then 30 seconds. 15 seconds. Something like that. And
Let's just do it by the minute, okay? 1 minute, we got a 1 minute pile, 2 minute pile, so far as our white ones. So now it's Xavier's turn.
no, you go.
Oh yeah. Are we doing are you doing 2 or 3?
I'm not going to. That would be a really long video.
Yeah. Okay, it's already 9 minutes. So I'll do mine at
45.
I'll do mine at 10. It'll make it easy. It'll make it easy. Though it requires a lot of waiting. I'm just gonna
Warm it up.
rev it up. Rev it up, just like a car. Ooh.
It actually sounds like a car.
It does.
I can hear it slowing down.
Wait, I don't know if it's on the right side or not. Okay, it's on the right side.
How do you know?
Because the top cap should be closer to the bearings. So while we wait, let's just play. And do not touch it. So it's been 30
Seconds.
5 seconds.
35.
1.
Ah.
I'm just gonna do hopping tricks.
I probably don't want to do hopping trips like this right now.
1.
Dude, it actually looks kind of like it's slow-mo, like it's going up and down, side to side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Nice.
Wow. 2. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay.
It's been 1 minute.
It's been 1 minute, and right now it is 20 seconds.
1 minute and 25 seconds.
Hold on.
1 minute
30 seconds. So
Now,
that
my
falls
Superman.
No, there's a 1 minute, there's a 30-second category, 1 minute category, 1 minute, no, there's a 1 minute category, 1 minute 30-second category, like around 1 minute and 1.5 minutes, and then there's 2 minutes.
Dude, I'm gonna get ready, because I'm gonna start my actual minutes.
Actually, no, I'm doing them in order, so there.
I'm revving it up.
Now. Okay. Sorry, I make noises when I stretch. What are you getting?
Has your people seen the BB-8?
Yeah. You guys have seen the BB-8?
He lost his head.
No, he didn't. It's right there. Let's just leave it up there.
So it's been a minute? No. Yeah. No. It's only been 45 seconds. You can hear it slowing down.
Wait. Hello? What? Clark Kent needs my help? I shall go get my super suit. Where's Clark Kent? Where is he? Where? Ah!
By the way, he wasn't actually trying to kill Clark Kent. That's actually Alex. That was just Alex.
You're getting rid of my secret identity! Ah!
Save me! Oh wow, it's been 2 minutes.
Oh wow. Yeah, this thing is spun for 4 minutes before. And Xavier said this one was his fast one.
Well, dude.
Oh. 14, 15.
That should be the end of our video because this is a really long video.
Well, how long did this one go for?
2 minutes and 15 seconds.
So, these two tied right now. Second, this one. And third, this one.